In today's video, I'll show you how to sell products from CJ Dropshipping to Wed2C in just 5 minutes. The process is simple, so let's get started. First, open your browser and log into your CJ Dropshipping account. If you don't have an account yet, create one and then head to your dashboard. Once you're logged in, look for the authorization section. This is where CJ connects with other selling platforms. Inside the authorization area, find Wed2C from the list and click Link Account. Follow the on-screen prompts and confirm the details to complete the connection. This step is important because it allows your products to sync properly between CJ Dropshipping and Wed2C. After your account is connected, go back to the CJ dashboard and start browsing products. You can use categories or filters to find items that match your store's niche. When you find a product you want to sell, click List. Before publishing, review the product title, description, images, and pricing. Make small edits if needed so everything matches your brand and looks professional on Wed2C. Once you're happy with the details, confirm the listing. That's it. Your product is now live on Wed2C and CJ Dropshipping will handle fulfillment for you. This setup lets you grow your store without worrying about inventory or shipping. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you, like the video, subscribe for more tutorials, and happy selling.